Hey everyone, today I have what I hope is a really fun video and hopefully also very helpful video. So we have a bunch of holidays coming up, starting with Thanksgiving and working way all the way through the holiday season to New Year's. Now this video, as you can tell by the title, are 10 holiday outfit ideas from very casual to dressy. About half and half, I would say. And I made this video specifically because I have attended Thanksgiving celebrations in every kind of setting, from just gathering at a neighbor's house, hanging around in the backyard, watching them fry a turkey, super casual, to just hanging out at home with friends and family as the host, watching a bunch of football games and cooking in the kitchen, all the way to a banquet room at a local hotel and a very fancy country club. So I have run the gamut and needed some version of one of these 10 outfits for every single one. So this video is sponsored by Walmart, so I'm very excited to tell you that everything you see is going to be very budget friendly, and I'm going to start with the most casual and work my way through. So outfit number one does include this top, and we'll get to that in a minute. Let's talk about the jeans first. These are new to me. They're from the brand Time and Tru, and I find that with Time and Tru jeans, I definitely need to size one up. They tend to run a bit small on me. So I am wearing these in a size 6. And before I get any further, I just want to remind you, as always, everything is listed down in the description box in the order in which it's presented here, with sizing, links, and prices if you need more information. They say they're mid-rise. They come exactly right at the belly button. There is some distressing, but it's not gaping holes in most, if not all of the distressing, if I remember correctly. There's actually fabric behind it, so you're not actually going to see any skin. I've kept this super casual, just rolled up the cuffs a little bit so you can see a little bit of ankle, paired it with my favorite Star sneakers. The star of the show is absolutely this top. I love it. It's very casual. It's just a cotton tee really, but it has a few more details that takes it up a notch. I love the extended elastic cuffs. They're not super tight, but what's nice about them is that they'll hold wherever you place the sleeve on your arm. If you want to exaggerate the puff here a little bit more, you can do that, and they won't go up and down the arm, which I really like. I like the puffed shoulders. I love the price point. I love this pink, but it does come in other colors as well. Outfit number 2 is this sweater outfit. These jeans are also new to me. They are from the brand Scoop, and they are crop and frayed at the hem. Now, normally I would not pair these with the boots that you see here that are also new. We're gonna talk about those in a minute, but I love that frayed hem. And the reason I say that is because you don't want the bottom of the jean to kind of hit the top of the boot. I want a little bit of space. So I would probably get these hemmed if I planned on wearing them more often with higher type boots, but I'm not gonna do that because most of the time I will probably just wear them with something a little lower on the leg. But I absolutely love these. They do run true to size. And I paired the outfit with these Shearling hiking boots that look like they have very complicated laces, but in reality, they have a zipper on the inside, so it's super easy to get them on and off. If you really need a warm shoe, these are it, because this faux Shearling goes all the way down to the very bottom of the boot. Yep, even to the very toe. So very soft, comfortable, and warm. And you can adjust these laces if you want it a little bit tighter, and then just zip yourself in and you are good to go for the evening. The sweater I absolutely love. I feel like it looks very much like a different line of sweaters. It starts with the name Free, but much higher price point. I love the zipper at the neckline. It's functional. You could zip it all the way up and make it more like a turtleneck, but I just like how it lays. I love this oatmeal-y color. It hits me more at like the natural waist or very top of the hip, so it is not oversized or extra long. Works really well with jeans. Outfit number 3, I brought back some jeans that have been favorites for a long time. They're showing up still on the Walmart website in very limited sizing. These are the EV1 Alex Jeans. I personally love them so much, I bought them in 3 colors, and I was sad to see that they're not continuing to have them in full inventory. But if you're lucky enough to still be one of the sizes that they do have, I highly recommend snatching them up. I love these jeans. I paired it with this top that you have seen on Instagram already if you're following me. It's a really fun ruched sleeve, very exaggerated, I'd say, ruched sleeve. It has a more cotton poplin type feel to it, and it hits me right at about the same place as the sweater, like below the natural waist, top of the hips. And so with a shirt like this that's not overly long or oversized, I wouldn't do the full front tuck. It actually lays better if you just tuck it in all the way around because there's not enough material to bag over the back of your pants. Also because this shirt just hits at just that kind of sweet spot. I prefer personally to pair this with something that's slightly higher rise. So if I raise my hands up, I'm not gonna have a lot of skin showing, and that happens to work out just well because most things these days are higher rise. And for this outfit, I paired them with the Chelsea boots that I absolutely love, and at least the last time I checked, which was this morning, they seem to be fully back in stock on the Walmart website. So if you missed out on them the first time I talked about them, because they did sell out, it appears that they are back. With outfit number 4, we're getting a teeny bit dressier, still keeping it jeans on the bottom, which keeps it casual, but if you want to take it up a notch, just make the top a little dressier. This is a really fun little printed peplum top, and I just love how it drapes. And again, I usually prefer to wear longer shirts, but I just like where this hits at my natural waist. It just kind of flows and drapes just perfectly. This actually works well underneath a cardigan if you're somewhere where it's a little bit colder. You wouldn't think it does, but because the material isn't overly constructed, it slides right under a cardigan, which I'm not picturing here. I just wanted to bring that up because a lot of you watching live somewhere a lot colder than where I live. But if you're like me and it's probably gonna be in the 60s on Thanksgiving Day, this outfit works really well. And I paired it with a pair of cropped flare jeans. You could definitely wear these with skinny jeans, but I like kind of emphasizing that hourglass silhouette where I have sort of the exaggerated shoulder and then it goes in at the natural waist, kind of flares at the hips, and then that long line extends down through the flare jeans. And then I brought back some oldies but goodies. Pretty sure they're still on the website as well. These just sort of cream, they're not really white, they're more of a cream booty with a little bit of snakeskin detail on the back. I am mixing patterns between the animal print on the top and the snake skin print on the bottom, but I think they're far enough apart that they're not going to clash. All right, with this outfit, we are halfway done. Outfit number 5 brings a little sparkle. This is a scoop sweater with tinsel throughout. Not the tinsel that sheds all over your house, thank goodness. I really love this cool sculptural shoulder detail. It is not the puff sleeve that we're seeing in a shirt like this. It's kind of, to me, it's a little 80s, early 90s with that exaggerated shoulder. I think it looks really neat. It's not an overly long baggy sweater. All the details are going on up here. It just kind of, you know, slims down to the waistline. And then I paired these with a new pair of jeans. They're from the Sofia line, and they are a pair of boyfriend jeans, and these are also distressed, but unlike the first pair that I showed you, you can see skin through these. And I think that the sweater and the jeans seem to run true to size. The rest of the outfits are all dresses, so we move from somewhat casual all the way through to definitely dressy. So this first dress you have seen before in previous Walmart hauls. It is a denim dress that runs very, very big. I just wanted to bring this one forward again in case you bought it the last time I talked about it. Here's the perfect occasion to wear it, Thanksgiving, because it is oversized and drop-waisted. You can eat an entire Thanksgiving dinner and no one will be the wiser from looking at you in your dress. It's super comfortable as well. It does run really big. I'm wearing it in a size extra small. I've paired it with these knee-high boots. They are faux suede. They are so comfortable. That blockier heel makes it easy to walk around in. If you're feeling a little exposed or it is colder where you are, I think this would look really great with a pair of maybe cream opaque tights or some kind of fun patterned wool tights, or even more sheer patterned ivory tights, any kind of tight variation. I think it would look really cute if you are a little self-conscious about skin showing or you need another layer of warmth. Definitely bring in the tights. Tights are definitely a trend for this time of year. I know I shouldn't have favorites, but this next one is definitely my favorite. Now, the boots are not from Walmart, just full transparency. They are definitely a higher budget line item, but I wanted you to see how you could pair something that is like that with something more budget friendly from Walmart. I just feel like the whole outfit is made. I love, love, love this sweater dress from Walmart. I love this color. I love everything about it. The buttons are fully functional, so if you want to show a little more leg like I did, just to make it a little easier to move around, you can do that. You can also fully unbutton it and make it a cardigan. The belt comes with it. It is removable. I decided to just wear the one that came with it. You could certainly swap it out for one of your own if you would prefer. I did size up one in the sweater dress. I like to size up in sweater dresses because usually they run a little tight or more body conscious, and that's just not a look that I am personally comfortable in. And so I size up one on the sweater dress. Plus, it allows me to have a little more fabric if I want to blouse it a little bit over the belt at the waist, then it allows me to do that. So I am wearing this dress in a size medium. Outfit number 8 is another dress that you have seen before. It is still on the website. It actually comes in a solid color, maybe 2 solid colors, and then this print, which I absolutely love. I love all the details on this dress. Now, if you live somewhere like where I live and it's still warm out, this will work out great just as is. You can choose to leave it open at the neck like I did, or if it's cold or you just want a little more closed, you can definitely tie it in a cute bow. I love the bow details on the hips. Those do not open and close. They're just there fixed as is. I like all the tiers. I think it's great to pair it with some boots. I'm wearing those same scoop faux suede boots there. But if it gets cold where you are, I pulled this from last year. This is a faux suede jacket from Walmart, and it works perfectly with this dress, and it matches the boots exactly. They're the exact same suede, faux suede, I should say. And it's super comfortable, gives it a little more edgy look, and it is perfect for a Thanksgiving dinner or any kind of holiday event that's coming up in the next few weeks. Here we are with outfit number 9, which is from the brand Sea Wonder at Walmart. I love this velvet. I have a thing for drop waist dresses. I think you may have noticed that. I had the denim one earlier, but this one is just, it looks so luxe. I love this deep, is it purple? Is it red? Is it burgundy? It's not red, but it's a beautiful color. But it is above the knee, and I am not particularly comfortable wearing shorter dresses for a variety of reasons, but also my legs are really, really pasty white, and I have not had any time to do self-tanner. So this is when pattern tights come in handy. Like I said, they're on trend for this season. They add a little layer of warmth if you need it, and they cover a multitude of sins. So I love a pattern tight. These are older, I've had them for a while, but I just wanted to show you can pair those with a shorter dress and it may give you a little boost of confidence. It certainly gave me some. And I just went with some basic black pumps. I mean, you can't beat that. Again, it's flowy, it's fun. You could make this more casual and pair it maybe with some knee-high or over-the-knee boots, but I like a classic velvet dress with some classic shoe wear to go with it. And now we come to the very last outfit that I have for you. I think this is great for any kind of dressy event you have coming up in the next few weeks. Definitely dressy enough for a fun New Year's out with that kind of very subtle shimmer. It's a black on black pattern. There's black dots all over it. The skirt is tiered. It is lined, and that way it's not see-through. The arms are a little bit see-through, a little bit of the bodice, but all the important parts are lined, so you don't have to worry about any modesty issues. I kept the tights on. I think dotted tights, if you can find them, would look really cute with this outfit. And if you have some sparkly shoes, that would definitely make the outfit. But it's just a really fun, easy to wear dress. I love the tiers in the skirt. There are buttons at the cuffs, so it gives you a little bit more of a shape to the arms, to the sleeves. And you know, you have just a fun, sparkly holiday evening outfit. Well, there you go. 10 different holiday outfits you can wear, from your most casual event to your dressiest event and everything in between, all from Walmart. Really, really budget friendly. Let me know which one was your favorite. Mine was that sweater dress, but I'm curious to know which outfit was your favorite, or was there a specific piece from one of the outfits that really caught your eye? I'm just curious to know what you think. I'd say if it had to be a piece separate from the outfits, these boots are really fun. I think these are the standout accessory for me. Well, that's it from me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.